Hello everyone, and this is Edmund Mindaros channel. Welcome back to a new PC Tricks tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up Windows 11 computer by adjusting the settings in the system properties. And we're going to use the run command SYSDM.CPL under custom settings. Others options can be selected based on your personal preference, and same steps can be used in Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 operating system. And let's get started. On your computer keyboard, press Windows logo plus R, and it will pop up the run command. So the next step, we need to type this keyword SYSDM.CPL and then click OK. And here now the system properties, you can see now the computer name, hardware, and the next one, click advanced. Alright, so in here the system properties, you can see the first settings performance. So for our topic today is about for the computer performance, so we need to click this settings. And then here now the performance options, and we have three options here. We have the number one is the let Windows choose what the best for my computer, adjust for base appearance, and the next one is click this adjust for best performance. So click this one, and the for the customizations for the best performance, we need to select this smooth edge off screen fans off. So click this one. And the next step, we need to click apply and then click OK. Alright, so this is the very simple tricks on how to speed up Windows 11 operating system. If you have any questions about this, just leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helped you and learn additional knowledge, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channels. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.